Hey guys, I'm Duncan McLennan. We're here at Avidbots, and today I would like to tell you about one of my favorite Neo tips and tricks. This is a new feature that was released with our version 2.6 software, and it's called Pause and Resume, though I think Pause, Return, and Resume probably describes what it does a little bit better. I'm going to run out back, get Neo cleaning, and we'll show you how it works. So I hope you can tell from that video what just happened. Basically, I started Neo cleaning, let him go for a couple of minutes all by himself, and then after a while I went and interrupted him, drove him away, and left him somewhere that he doesn't really belong. Neo, being the insistent guy that he is, figured out where he was, drove back across the floor, and picked up where he left off. Now, I do want to point out that for the sake of this video, I kept the robot within the camera frame, but this feature does work over much longer distances as well, so long as you remain within your cleaning plan. An example of when this might be useful. Let's say that you notice that your dirty water tank on your robot is getting full, and there's a drain somewhere in that cleaning plan that you're currently running. You can pause the robot, drive over to the drain, dump out the dirty water, and press resume, and the robot will automatically navigate to where he was picked up and start cleaning all over again. We've had some great feedback on this feature so far, so I wanted to share it with you. If you found this video useful, helpful, interesting, anything, please don't hesitate to subscribe to our YouTube channel or share with your friends. For now, thanks for watching. Have a good one.